Hi, so my name is Nathan Doolittle, and this is my midterm art review project. I did my project on a painting mural on the corner of Henry and Seminole. Some of you guys might have seen it, maybe not. It's by Jimmy Cobb. He is a local artist that went to North Muskegon for high school and graduated in 2017, so he's not too much older than us. This painting is a 2D painting. It spans about 100 by 20 feet, so it's pretty big. Um, as for its media, it's acrylic paint on a brick building, and he also used latex and spray on concrete. So I know that he did this over the summer of 2019, so it took a while. It wasn't like it just kind of happened overnight. Uh, as for like what it shows, in the painting, there's obviously, if we go back to the previous slide, you can see like the smaller version. I have a bigger one later on, but there is a lot of flowers, and it kind of like, they're all going in many different directions. So it's not like a field of flowers. It's more of just like flowers in a bunch. I noticed in the painting there were gaps in part of it where it was still white wall, and in those two gaps is where the big sunflowers were, and so there was something similar in both of those, but one of them came down from the top and one of them was at the bottom, like where the sunflower was in half and it opened up. I really like how it's things that like we know like it obviously has flowers, but then it also has stuff in there that repeats, like the sunflowers repeat, and obviously the two things in the white repeats. When I looked at this piece, I think of like summer. Honestly, I thought about sitting by the pool with my friends and being with family, and everybody's like having a good time. I really like the bright colors, yellow, the pink, and the light blue. I think that brought out mostly is why I was thought it was like a happy kind of feeling. Um, like even taking the picture the other day of the painting, it was obviously cold outside because it's February, but it just kind of brought warmth to my body. I think when looking at it, I specifically got drawn to the sunflowers just because like they were the biggest piece of the painting. But at the same time, I think that was um what he was attempting to do was to bring your eyes to the sunflower. A little bit about Jimmy is he's a local artist. He went to North Muskegon. He graduated in 2017 and this piece or painted this piece in 2019. He typically does abstract art with oil. He has another mural at the Four Corners Cafe in North Muskegon, which I also went to go see that one. I just liked this one a little bit better. And then also on the others at the same at Seminole and Henry, he has one on that same building. It's just on the other side. Another really cool thing that I found out about him was that he designs all of the clothes for Oshki, which is a sustainable company who makes shirts for or from materials pulled out of the Great Lakes, which I thought that was really cool. And then here is the full piece. Obviously those sunflowers, I only got one of them in this, but like if you look at like the inner part where it's white left in it, you can see where the green comes out of the sunflower into the white part. But yeah, that's my review.